Or slowly move to the fish.
Dito. Later kay hot pa daw. Our skincare will be oh, last month pa.
Last month pa?
Ano na pala sila? Tinatamad ang nanay, Ma'am Janelle.
May tamad ka na dito.
Yeah, true ate. Oo, yun talagang mangyayari eh.
Stand pa talaga.
Telescopic na kontag ko. Telescopic na fishing rod.
Sa susunod, uso na yung ano, yung...
Mamaya ako mag-live pag mawala na yung makeup nila Flor.
Correct.
May pangawitas ako dyan.
Katawan.
Katawan. Tama.
Flor, salamat sa shrimp mo, Flor, ha?
Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. So nandito tayo ngayon sa, what do you call this beach anyway?
Hamim.
Hamim Beach. Pero walang fish. Hi beach, pero walang fish. Walang problema pagkabayan, busog na kami. So kahit walang fish, okay na. Di ba kayo Rex? Masaya pa kami. Hi guys. Just to get multiple fish? Or...
I think so. I don't have idea, anak. It's just the first time.
Look, he's not afraid to go into the water. Let's start.
Careful, guys.
Pagkuhan ko, Bigday. Pagkuhan ka na.
Nagpicturean mo kami.
Gawin natin.
Para may roll ka naman. Come here.
Alia, Alia.
Picture.
Picture, oy.
Can you put
Alia.
water? Seawater.
Aliyah dear. Oh my
Picture mo na.
Aliyah dear.
Dito kasi mas ganda ang sun.
Ayan na, natulog na sa ako.
Ready? 1, 2.
Siyempre yun yung 140 yun. 80 na yung pulis. Bakit mo susundan ng ganun lang din yung takbo mo? Nagkalakan sila na babae kasi babae nagda-drive. Tingnan siguro kung may lisensya o wala.
Ang problema ko na.
Ang problema wala.
Or slowly move to the fish.
Go.
Down.
Wait.
Under the water.
Cute guy, anak. Oh my God. Bye.
No. Bait, anak.
Huh?
Bait.
And that is
And then, how many? What's the name?
Kyle. Kai.
Kai.
And that's Cole.
So
See,
they
those are-
are
These are
How many?
These are 8.
8 now?
Yeah, 8.
The other one I think 2 dead.
No, it's not dead.
Oh, I think that one died.
Oh, no, it's still. Go, get the other one. No, it's not
I
dead.
think that's true.
The other one, there's still one more. Here,
How did you guys escape?
that
And I
one.
think that's Jake.
Ah, see?
Oh, these two there.
Ang ano
Hindi na ako
talaga,
matutulog.
ang aim natin dito, puyatan. 6, 8, 9. Wala nang pasukan.
Mag-out ako ng
Sinikita.
Ako matapan mo.
Six ka
Tanong
ba?
ko sa ako na big.
What is that crispy about? It needs to be golden brown. I I mean, it's already cold naman natin.
Mine is just burning!
Wamantay ko.
Ganito lang kala, ganito lang, ganyan lang. Ganito lang. Uy,
No, they want to go there.
I guess the kids went to getting the fish.
Wow! Perfecto!
Look, it's the brave one.
Malalim ba?
Hindi.
Parang willing na ako maglangoy.
Oh, go girl! Para naman yung ano,
Go, girl!
Parang gusto ko siyang tawirin, no?
Oh, go, girl!
Marathon.
para yung belt mo, ano.
Kaya nga.